I've had this unit for about 2 months now, and I've installed and washed it a couple of times, and I'm finally ready to give you guys my final, honest, unbiased, and obviously not sponsored review. So if you want to know all about this unit, please stay tuned. Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Gracious. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video if you enjoy this type of content, and also hit the notification bell so you never miss another upload from me. And if you are coming back to watch yet another video, thank you so much, my love, for coming back, and thank you so much for your support. Now onto the hair. In the beginning, I showed you guys that little purple bag. It came with the packaging, and it's been so nice to have it because I just put my wigs in there and it just stores it perfectly. I don't have to worry about how I stored where I put my wig and stuff like that. Now this wig is from Celie Hair, the website. So one thing that I didn't know that I got to know a couple of months ago is that there is Celie Hair AliExpress, the company, and then there is Celie Hair or Celie Hair. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but there is Celie Hair, the website, and then there's Celie Hair on AliExpress. Those are two totally different companies run by different people. Like, I don't know how that works, but they have the same name. They just sell on different platforms, and they are operated by different people. Now, when you buy this unit on the website, which is where I got this unit, it is more pricier than when you buy on AliExpress. I don't know the method behind why it is cheaper on AliExpress, but I will leave both links in the description so you can just check for yourself. But I believe that the website has much better quality, hence it is more expensive. But anyway, back to the hair. We are discussing Celie Hair, the website, by the way. The unit that I have is 12 inches, 13 by 4 straight up. The con that I have for this is the lace, guys. The lace is a little bit dark. It's normal brown lace, so you're gonna have to work a little bit harder than usual to blend it in. If you're used to your HD lace, it's gonna be a culture shock to go back to normal lace again, because with HD you don't have to work that hard to actually have it blend in. But I try my best, okay? But other than that, I would say the hair in itself is great quality, you guys. I've washed it, I think, about 4 times. I believe I've installed it 4 times, and this is my everyday go-to wig now. Like, every time I wash, the curls just bounce back easily. I have no issues with the hair. It does shed a little bit, but it is to be expected from Celie Hair, right? Now, if you want to order this hair and you are in South Africa like I am, the hair was shipped on the 2nd, and then it was delivered to me on the 12th. Yeah, so that's how long it took. I'll put the checking list on the screen, right? And then what else did I want to say? Yeah, it was shipped with DPEX, and if you're familiar with that, you don't pay taxes. I don't know how it works, but if you were to order this specific unit on AliExpress, Celie Hair, they do ship with DHL, and if you know DHL, you need to stay far from that because they will charge you custom like nobody's business. Okay, so it is cheaper on AliExpress, but you're gonna have to pay customs because they ship with DHL. And you also have to pay like 350, I believe, for it to ship. So it does initially add up. Now, I've ordered from Celie Hair AliExpress before. I got bundles on there. I think it was like 2018 or 19, and the quality did not disappoint. I'm not sure what, if you guys know and you have more clarity on what's happening between some of these companies with the actual website being more expensive and AliExpress being more cheaper. Like I don't know, but I don't think you're gonna get the same quality. That's just me. But if you have more clarity on that, please enlighten me in the comment section. Thank you. I would appreciate it, because I'm just like, I don't understand. If I had money to play around, I was obviously gonna order this unit on AliExpress and just compare the two, but I don't have money like that. Like I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that just to review it for you guys anyway. But maybe I will just keep watching my videos and subscribe to my channel so I can get some coin, so I can do stuff like this for you, okay? But anyway, I'm just installing this unit, and I'm using the curling custard. Like I brushed it a little bit, and then I just used the curling bastard. Did I just say oh my god. Wow. Wow, curling custard, wow. What a blooper that I'm obviously gonna include, because I'm just like, it is what it is. Yeah, I'm just including the curling custard, and look at the curls, just like it defines the curls so well, and they just bounce back each time. I love this wig so much because I just feel like it's low maintenance. Just add the curls and you're ready to go. Like I love it. I'm kind of obsessed with it. I don't want to lie. The quality is amazing. So if you want to get your hands on it, if you were looking for a sign, girl, I think this is it. But I don't know, if you want to go and order it from AliExpress, do let me know how that process went. Guys, I think just Celie Hair in general just sells quality hair, but I don't know, I'm still stuck on why is it 50% cheaper on the actual website on AliExpress. Like it baffles me. But I mean, I'm gonna move past that. I'm gonna move past that. Maybe someone will enlighten me out there. But anyway, that's enough talking. I hope that I included all the information. If there's anything specific that I haven't included, please do let me know in the comment section, because I feel like I've been talking and talking, but I do feel like I got all the points across that I wanted to get across. But if there's anything that you want to know, please include it in the comment section, and I will get to it if I know the answer to that. We don't cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. For the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default, and without any doubt, I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the guys out, I'm a mind that you the talk, I put my life into my job, and I know I'm in trouble, she manipulate my love, I know holy, and I know that careful, like the I know I talked your ear off, but yeah, that is it for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, subscribe, thumbs up, it helps my channel grow, and I will surely catch you guys next time. Bye, my loves.